Do you ever worry if your penis size is normal? Questions I get asked all the time at my practice are, is blank a normal size of a penis? And how do I make my penis bigger? Well, today I'm going to be answering these questions and so many more. We'll jump into the data and scientific findings surrounding penis size around the globe. Does it really matter to partners? And if you're not happy about your penis size, why those eye-catching adult ads on the hub sites are likely not the right option for you. As a bonus, at the very end of this video, I will be showing you the right way to properly measure your penis, so you can try this at home and see how you measure up. If you're curious about your sexual health and your body, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for future content. This might be a sigh of relief for some people. The average erect penis size worldwide is actually 5.5 inches, with the average circumference of 4.6 inches. Flaccid, the average penis is 3.6 inches long with a circumference of 3.7 inches. A survey of 87 countries showed that Americans are averaging 5.1 inches erect, with the UK averaging 5.5, Aussies averaging 5.2, and Canada is at 5.5. Do you know where the largest banana in the bunch comes from? That would be Ecuador. Congrats, Ecuadorians, you're number one. Conversely, our Cambodian friends got the short end of the stick with the lowest erect average at 3.95 inches. But don't fret, friends. In this land, smaller may actually be better. What's interesting about the information is that historical trends are showing that numbers are growing and the average penis sizes are progressively getting bigger. One specific study shows that penis sizes have increased by 24% over the past 29 years from 4.8 inches to 6 inches. So why does penis size matter to so many people anyway? Whether it's too big, too small, too wide, narrow, you name it. Penis size is unique to you, like your fingerprint. And sometimes too big can be a real pain, literally and figuratively. The biggest concern penis owners have is whether or not their penis size affects their partner's satisfaction. Similarly, the penis is often associated with masculinity. The bigger, the more masculine. So, where do you think the word manhood came from anyway? While the psychology behind this way of thinking may never go away, the data just doesn't seem to support the link between masculinity and penis size. Shocker, I know. So, while there are valid concerns if you're too big or too small, most people should not be worried about it. While you shouldn't be worried about your penis size, you probably are, sitting there cursing your parents for your penis. But that actually might not be the case. Genetics do play a part in penis size, but they aren't the end-all be-all factor in size across the board. What is hereditary to a person with a penis is the existence of a Y chromosome, or the male determining gene. This doesn't inherently mean your penis size will be the same as your dad's or your granddad's. However, through genetics, it is more likely and is a good gauge for a base measurement. The X chromosome is much different. With 900 individual genes that all come from the mother, this is where things like the size and the girth can be more impacted. But like all other genes, mutations can happen. That's why genetics aren't a catch-all determination for penis size. Sticking with physiology, hormones can have a large part in affecting penis size. Hormones start to develop once you do. The amount of testosterone your body produces during puberty can determine penis size into your adulthood. These growth hormones can make you grow everywhere. That's also why those clinically diagnosed with a micropenis that's less than 2 inches erect take shots in order to increase their levels. Because of these growth hormones having an important role in your penile development, malnutrition during early childhood or in utero can have a large impact on your penis size. All of this to say, nature and nurture are the reasons why you have the penis size that you do. So, does it really matter? Short answer, nope, it really doesn't matter. It's not because of what you've heard, like, it's not the size, it's how you use it. It's based on clinical data done by famous sex researchers Masters and Johnson, who found that the size of the male penis can have no true physiological effect on female sexual satisfaction. This is based on a physiological studies that show that the vagina adapts to fit the size of the penis. If you're penetrating someone who has a vagina, the vagina itself can vary to not only accommodate lots of different sizes, but be sexually pleasurable as well. The potential space a vagina has is why babies can be pushed out during childbirth. Basic biology. Moreover, another study found that men were much more concerned with their own penis size compared to women about their partner's penis size. In a survey of about 52,031 heterosexual men and women, 85% of women were satisfied with their partner's penis size, and only 55% of men were satisfied with their own penis size. So, based on cold, hard, scientific evidence, a penis being what is considered too small is incredibly unimportant to a partner. Not to mention, for some, having a partner with a large penis is actually off-putting because of the potential pain it can cause to the cervix if you go balls deep. All that matters is having BDE, even if you're missing the BD. A lot of people who are insecure about their size may be inclined to seek out products that claim to enhance their length and their size. There's certainly no shortage of sketchy gas station pills or revolutionary new extenders popping up in our spam email claiming to give you exactly what you're looking for. But do any of them actually work? Many of these products are not only ineffective, but they can be extremely dangerous to your sensitive bits. And let's be real, that's the last area you want to be messing with. Most of these extenders, pumps, or pills completely mislead people in their marketing, and in fact have never been scientifically tested. In some cases, they can cause long-term damage to your penis, even contributing to damaged tissue or erectile dysfunction, and that's not fun. Some of you may have heard of the jelqing technique to naturally increase your penis size. This is the process of pulling and stretching with the hopes of increasing blood flow and stretching the tissue inside. As you might expect, not only is this technique incredibly dangerous, it's not at all recommended by medical professionals. Doing this can cause microscopic tears and damage to the delicate tissues of your penis. In fact, it's even been linked to the development of erectile dysfunction. So yeah, not a good idea either. While some of these techniques may make it seem like your penis is larger, you've just stretched the skin and may also be a victim of the placebo effect. So, if you're really serious about increasing your penis size, are there any safe, medically backed solutions out there? It's important to note that there is no scientific consensus that fully supports penis enlargement surgery, and that it does come with its fair share of risks. These surgeries oftentimes involve transferring fat cells into the penis or inserting silicone implants. A study done in 2019 actually showed that surgery involving a combination of a fat cell transfer and a silicone insertion into the penis achieved the desired effect, increasing both length and girth sustainably over at least a 12-month period. While it may work for you, it's important to keep in mind that there are absolutely no guarantees with this sort of procedure, and that it'll carry a hefty price tag and potential negative side effects. Before making any decisions for this sort of thing, you should always consult with a medical professional, because it can certainly be life-changing, for better or for worse. If you're wondering how you stack up to everyone else, you have to make sure that you're actually measuring your penis correctly. Let's start with length. You want to be fully erect to get an accurate assessment. Grab a ruler or a measuring tape. I prefer a fabric measuring tape as it's a lot more pliable. And press it into your pelvic bone where your penis protrudes from your body. And what you're gonna do is you are going to measure all the way from the base to the tip, and there you go. Now for your circumference, which is arguably more important than length. What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna take your measuring tape for this one, wrap it all the way around the thickest part of your penis where it connects, and you're good to go. You surprised? Your penis is a part of you. Don't let it control your whole world. You are more than your dick size. So, if you made it this far, make sure you like and subscribe, and let us know what you'd like to see in the next video.